Is it my audio video clear, guys? Okay, guys, please listen. Yesterday we discussed this example, right? Yesterday we discussed this email ID validation, right? Okay. Yesterday we did that, but we got that false, right? That is the reason we discuss it today. Okay. Please note this example, guys. Is it? Please note this example. Please complete this example, guys. Completed, guys. Completed this example. Now, Rachna, please respond if it is completed. Rachna and Sushma, please respond, guys. Completed. Okay. And next, after that, we'll discuss Python Turtle, guys. Okay. Python Turtle is a package. Okay. It's a module, guys. Okay. It is used for the graphics here. It is used for graphics and is used for drawing. It's used like a drawing board. Okay. And we can use functions like turtle forward and turtle backward. Okay. And for to move this turtle. Okay. For to move this turtle. After that, plot using turtle is first step is for to plot a turtle. In that first step is we have to import turtle module, guys. Okay, turtle module here. Next step is we have to create a turtle to control. Okay, and after that, next we have to draw around using turtle module, guys. Okay, turtle module. Turtle we call it as turtle functions or turtle methods, guys. Okay, and last one is what? Run turtle dot done. Okay, normally it is used for graphics, guys. Okay, turtle is for graphics. First we'll discuss some examples. You guys will understood. Okay, first listen this example. Okay, okay, first step is what we will discuss here. First step what I'm making is make all turtle package turtle package to be imported. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to import turtle, guys. Okay, we have to import turtle. After that, next step is what? Turtle method. Turtle method creates and return a new object. For that, what we have to do, I'm taking here a1 equals to turtle dot capital turtle here. Okay, after that, forward method moves 100 pixel, guys. Okay, like for example, turtle dot forward, I'm giving here, for example, 150, guys. Okay, 150 is what here? Pixels. After that, we are done, right? We are done. After that, what we have to write? Turtle dot done. Okay, after this, run this. First you will get error, guys. Okay, that is the reason. Run one more time. Okay, run one more time here. Run one more time. If you click here, wait a moment, guys. I think it's loading here. Guys, you can run here also. Otherwise, you can do one thing. Download Python, guys. Okay, if you type Python, right, you will get downloads here. Download this IDLE, guys. Okay, after downloading this, if you install, what you have to type in your lap is IDLE. Okay, if you type IDLE here, you have to open this IDLE, guys. This is IDLE, guys. If you open and click on this new and save this. Okay, whatever we gave this program, right? Okay, run here. Okay, paste it here. If you run that, we have to click this run and run module here. This is how we can draw, guys. Okay, forward 150, right? Forward this is how we can draw it, guys. Okay, this is how we can draw here. Otherwise, we can draw here also. That'll okay. Click on this run module, and if you save this, this is how we can draw. Understood guys this example? This example understood what I did here? Close this, close this. What you guys have to do, if you run that, this is how we can draw a line guys. Okay. For example, next example I'm taking that same import turtle here, import turtle, take a1 equals to turtle dot turtle here. What we are doing here, turtle method creates a create and return a new object. For that we are creating this. Okay, for that we are creating this, and after that we are taking here in this we took that forward, right? Now take that backward here, or backward function, backward, and give that 150 pixels here. After that turtle dot done. If you give right, now look at here guys. Before that close this output. This was in forward direction. This was in forward direction. Close this. And if you run this example, right? Again run that. First initially you will get that error guys. If you have to run one more time. Okay. After that you will get this output. Okay guys, understood? Understood guys? Forward and backward. If you run this one, this output you will get. Okay. If you run this one, right? You will get this output. Otherwise, if you want to know, if you want to get the change right, what you have to do is, what I'm doing is, open this ideally, paste this example here. If you run this module, right, what I'm getting here, I'm getting here forward direction, right? Take this backward direction and copy here and paste it here. Okay. If you save this and run this, okay, what I'm getting here, backward. Guys, the line will getting same. If you observe that, if you are running this output, right, look at here how I am getting that. From backward, for backward I'm getting that. If you give forward, right, here, if you give back forward here, okay, if you run this, how I am getting forward, right? Understood guys? These two both examples understood. I have to explain one more time. Understood? I have to explain one more time guys. Is it clear, Amma, this example? Turtle example. Is it clear? Please respond guys. Is it clear? I have to explain one more time. Ma, is it clear? This example? Okay. Look at here guys. Look at here. Actually, Turtle is like packages. Yesterday we discussed this, right? Yesterday we discussed packages, right? Okay. From that packages, we already discussed that math, right? Math module and the regular expressions, right? Now what we are discussing is turtle module we are discussing. Okay, turtle module. Turtle module is like it is used for graphics, guys. Normally it is used for graphics. For to plot any graph, right? For to plot any graph, right? First step is to import turtle module. Here, what we are importing turtle, right? We are importing turtle. After that, what we are creating, I'm creating here a1 equals to turtle dot That means we are for to create methods, right? Okay, for to create turtle method creates and returns a new object, guys. Okay, turtle method we are creating here and for returns a new object. That means I'm creating here a1 equals to turtle dot turtle here, and here I'm taking this functions. Okay, turtle dot forward, turtle dot forward here I'm giving here, and here 150 is pixels, guys. And after that we have to give turtle dot done. If you give that, if you run that, if you run this example, what I'm getting this line, right? Forward line you will get. Okay. If you run this example, next example, right? Forward means here forward means you will get forward output. Backward means you will get backward output, guys. That's it. Understood? Understood, guys? So easy, okay. Multiple examples if we discuss, right? We will get a clarity, okay. And we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Next, we'll discuss one example how to draw a square. Okay, ma? Look at here. How to draw a square. Okay. Here, first same like this program. Okay. Import turtle as I'm giving here TT. Here only I'm printing importing only turtle here. Here what I'm doing importing turtle I'm giving some name as TT. Okay. After that take a1 equals to TT dot turtle here. Okay. Here I'm giving turtle dot turtle, right? That is the you will get confusion, right? That is the reason I'm taking as a name. Okay. TT dot turtle. Okay. After that, square has four sides and each side have some angle, right? Okay. For that the reason what I'm doing is a1 dot forward take 150 pixels, guys. 150 pixels and and a1 dot a1 dot give right here, right here. Forward means it will get length. Okay, right. If I give 90 degrees here, it will give right means it will give you angle. Forward means it will give you the length. Right means it will give you the angle. After that square have four sides, right? That is the reason what I will do is four times I'm taking that, guys. Okay, four times I'm taking that. That means four sides, right? That is the reason I'm taking four sides here. Okay. After that, give TT dot done. Give TT dot done here. If you run this example, right? Close this, and run this example one more time, guys. This is how you will get the square. This is how we will get the square, guys. Rachna understood, Amma, this example? Square, how to draw a square is this example understood? Okay. What you guys will do is first note this example, guys. Okay. Yes, I'm giving you 5 minutes time. Please note these three examples. Okay. completed, Emma? Example, this three examples completed. Examples completed, Emma. Can I move forward? Can I discuss next example? Or can I discuss next example? Here we took that forward, right? Here we took that forward function here. Same example, same example. Again, we will draw a square. But here we took that forward, right? Here we'll take that backward here. Now we'll see import turtle here as t I'm giving here. Okay, a1 equals to t dot turtle here. T we have to give capital T here. Okay. After that, here what we gave here, a1 equals to forward, right? Here give a1 dot backward and give 150 pixels here. Okay, and a1 dot, here we give right, here we have to give left. Okay, give left. Backward means what it will give? Length of that line. Okay, length of that line. And left give here 90 degrees. Left means it will give you the angle. Okay guys, after that same give 4 times here guys, a1 dot backward and give 150 pixels here, and a1 dot left I'm giving here 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and give 4 times here. After that a1 dot give done here. Okay, sorry, t dot done. If you run that, first time it will give you error guys. Okay, why? Because okay, this Jupyter notebook, right? That is the reason you will get an error. You have to run one more time. Okay, after that you will get this output. Okay, here forward means it will give you this like this you will get. That means forward means you will get square like this guys. Okay, backward means you will get like this. Okay, understood guys? Forward and backward, same you will get output. Okay, understood guys? This example, please note it down. Note it down. Yes, after this example, completed Amma, this example, completed this example. We already seen that by using forward function how to draw a square, by using backward function how to draw a square. Now we'll see that using loop statement. Using loop statement, how can we draw this square? First, what we have to do, import turtle as t. I'm giving that name. Okay, I'm giving here a1 equals to t dot turtle here. T dot turtle. We have to give t capital here. After that, by using the loops, right? Loop statement of I'm taking for loop here for I in range. For I in range, I'm giving here range equals to 4, guys. Why? Because square have 4 sides, right? That is the reason I'm giving here 4. After that, give here a1 dot forward. A1 dot forward. Give 150 pixels. And a1 dot right. Give 90 degrees. And after that, we have to give t dot done. Okay. If you run that, first close this example. Close this. And initially, actually in my Jupyter notebook, some files are missing, guys. Okay, that is the reason I'm getting here error. Okay, what I am doing is again I'm running this. Okay, after that I will get this out. Same output. Okay, by using loops, by using backward function, by using forward function. That's it. Okay, please note this example. Please note this example. Completed, Amma, this example. Can we discuss next example? You got the output, right? Is it completed, Amma, this example? Is it completed? Next we'll discuss how to draw a star. Okay, how to draw star, guys. Okay, star means, look at here, same, import turtle here, import turtle, as t I'm giving here. A1 equals to t dot total. T dot total I'm giving here. After that, for I in range, okay, for I in range, how many sides are there? In star, I'm taking as a 5 here range because the star have 5 sides, right? After that, A1 dot forward, A1 dot forward, I'm giving here 150 pixels, okay. And A1 dot right equals to I'm giving here 90 degrees. 90 in square we have to give 90. In star we have to give 144 guys, okay. 144 and give t dot done. T dot done. Okay. For you to understand, I'm giving here give 20. Okay. After that, run this. Run this example. If you look at here, this is how we can draw, guys. Okay. This is how we can draw a star. Understood, guys? Understood, right? This example how to draw a square, star. Ma understood this example? What he did here? Both are same. Both are same. Here in this right angle I gave 144. That's it. Okay. Understood, Amma? This example. Please note down this example, Amma. Please note down this example. Yes, completed this example. Completed this example. Okay, remaining we'll discuss Monday, Amma. Okay, and few more examples we'll discuss on Tatalia. Okay, understood, right? Today's session understood, right? Is it clear, guys? Today's session. Okay, ma'am. And we'll discuss few more examples on Monday. Okay, on Tatal. Okay. Thank you, guys.